Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Kara Sev. This is a very crispy and delicious snack recipe. This Kara Sev is usually made during festive season. You can store it in an 8-8 container and enjoy for 2 weeks time. This Kara Sev is very easy to make and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of gram flour, 1/4 cup of rice flour, a tablespoon of crushed pepper, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of hot oil. Mix all the ingredients well with a spoon. Make sure all the ingredients are well spread. Then start to add little water at a time and mix it well. Now we have a smooth dough, so let's go and make the Kara Sev. Today I have taken a MURUKKU maker. To this, fix the attachment with 3 holes. Fill in the dough up to half. Then press a little and check the flow. The flow is smooth, so let's go and fry the Kara Sev. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, make Kara Sev. Let this fry for 2 minutes in high flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 more minutes in high flame. Now after 2 minutes, both sides are nicely done and crispy, so let's now remove it. Now our delicious and crispy Kara Sev is ready. We can serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Store it in an 8-8 container and you can enjoy this for 2 weeks time. Very easy, delicious and an instant recipe. So do try this Kara Sev at your home for this Diwali and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.